Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the new Mythical epic Merahawk, so let's get into the video. Alright, so as you can see, Merahawk has appeared. A mix of many creatures Merahawk takes to the skies, now available from September 1st to November 31st. So we are going to go ahead and start with the quests. So let's see what the items we need to do or get are. And we need to collect 4 flight feathers, 5 Merahawk nests, and 6 toy Clover Rats. So let's start with the flight feathers, and this is going to be in Firefly Forest. So to start off, let's head over to the left, where there will be one, and here it is. And also, you are going to need to have membership to get this. I do have a video on how to get membership if you want to watch that. Also, in case I do not get Merahawk this video, I do have a full video on everything about Merahawk, like its stats. It doesn't have the attack animation because I had to hack to get it. And, you cannot use the epic if you hack to get it. But we did get a feather right there, which is good. So I do believe that we can get past this monster that you cannot see because this world is incredibly full. Like, I can't even see where I'm clicking. Where am I clicking? Okay, and okay, we somehow clicked on it and we got nothing. I don't know how we clicked on that because this world is incredibly populated right now on Animalia. So let's go ahead and do this. And we got another flight feather. So now we just gotta do a battle. So now we are going to go up, and there'll be one right here. Hopefully we get another one. Alright, so we already have 3. This is looking pretty good. We just gotta get one more. And here's a chest thingy. And there we go, 4 out of 4. So, let's go, but not actually turn them in. Let's just go to the next place, which is Nests, and this is in Skywatch. So, now we have to do this. So, to start off, I'm going to go to the right, and, I'm gonna go up to this, like, side building. Or factory, I'm not sure what it's called. I'm going to go up here to start off and open up this box or crate, and we don't get anything, so we'll head back down and we gotta do a monster skip. Let's see if I can pull this off. I gotta be pixel and we already messed it up. Alright, so that we did that battle, let's go ahead and pop the balloon. And we don't get anything. There's nothing up here, so you can just head back. And now we will do our best to skip this. There we go. And we'll pop this balloon. So, still nothing. I believe we've opened 3, and we have gotten none, so we're 0 for 3. Now we'll battle this squawk. Alright, so now we are going to go down. Come on. That is like the easiest skip in the game. I do not know how I messed that up. So now we will go down. And I think we're gonna have to battle a monster right here. So we'll battle that. So now we're gonna open this box, and there we go. We got our first Merahawk Nest. So I'm going to go ahead and click the map and go back to the main place. And now I'm gonna go up where we have to battle 2 monsters. Alright, I opened that one and nothing was in it. So let's open this one. Still nothing, so we only have 1. I do not think that we can possibly get all of the things, or all the nests. But let's go ahead and keep trying to get as many as we can. Alright, let's open up this one. And nothing good. So now we will avoid this Luminite and go down here. So there's no monster here anymore if you've already completed the mini boss, and we still got nothing. So you don't actually have to do a battle on this screen anymore if you've already beaten the mini boss. And if you have the mini boss, then that's still good because you get good rewards. And now let's open this last one. And we get nothing good. So let's head back and see what else there is to get. Toy Clover Rat, and this isn't Bonfire Spire. Bonfire Spire is like the most annoying place to get these because there's the levers and the lava and stuff. It's just so annoying. Alright, so let's open up this. And there we go. I really like how the Toy Clover Rat looks. I think it looks really cool. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and flick the lever. And unless I am not smart, we should be able to get a chest down here, or flower thing. There's not one, so now I have to do all the levers. So we'll go ahead and re-flick the lever. And I'm just gonna go back this way, and we'll go down this time. And let's avoid this, and open up this. And no one that time. Let's battle this. Alright, so we are now going to go to the right. And okay. We are going to have to battle this. You don't have to battle the second one though, which is good. Alright, so let's go and open up this flower. And we got another Toy Clover Rat. Let's check up here. And there's one. Let's see if we cannot. Or maybe you can, I just didn't do it right. Alright, let's now open this up. And we got another Toy Clover Rat. That is 3 of 6, so we're doing good so far. I'm also gonna do the battle for the against the Merahawk in this one so that we can at least see its attack animation, because I've not seen it yet. This will be the first time I see it. So let's go down and to the left. Didn't I already battle that? What? Oh wait, they might have fixed the thing, because there used to be like, there was a glitch where monsters weren't spawning, so they might have fixed that, which I dislike. So now we will go back this way. Yeah, it does look like they fixed the glitch. Now I'm going to go to the right and battle this monster. We can also go ahead and open up this chest. And we got another one. This is looking pretty decent so far. Let's go this way now. And down here. And back over the bridge. And let's battle both of these. Alright, let's go ahead and open up this one. We got another Toy Clover Rat. And there's another one right here. Nothing. So we'll go back this way. And go down. And I think there'll be a monster. Yep. So now we're going to go this way, and we're going to head to the right. And there we go. Please. Nothing. So we'll go to the left again. And we'll go up. And we will go right. So I think there is one more. Okay, there is. We're gonna have to do a battle to get to it, though. Alright, here we go. And we didn't get it, but we can still battle Merahawk. So let's go trade with Ola. She is in Shipwreck Shore. And let's see where she is. Alright, so we're going to have to go up this way. And she should be, yeah, she's right here. So we'll do this. Trade in the feathers, track Mythic. Next. And we'll go battle. So it's in Skywatch. And what way is it? Down here. Okay. Alright, so now we can battle it. Let's go over. Here we go. Do I just have to get close to it? What's going on? How do I click it? So, I think that I just have to retrack it, because... yeah, we'll abandon it. Hopefully that doesn't do anything bad. Okay, yeah, now we can go battle it again. Alright, so now we can finally go battle it. There it is. So, let's see how much health it has. 1450. I think it's the same for every single epic. And I wasn't even looking at the attack animations, so I missed it. Because I'm not smart. So, I think I'm going to use Sever right here. 307, it's not good because this is a physical type, so it's not going to do much. Now let's use Aqua Burst. Miss. Now we will use Astral Storm. 198. Okay, now let's watch the attack animation. So it's pretty cool. And that did a lot of damage, I'm pretty sure. So, this is more Get Magic. And let's do Torrents. 489. We should just need one more Mythical Epic attack to take it out. So that is less than. And let's use Torrents. Bam. 503 damage. So yeah, we took it out. And let's collect our reward. So yeah, there we go. We have completed 1 out of the 3 quests. And that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.